Hey everyone, what do dogs and chickens have in common with plants like brassicas? It's all to do with selective breeding and domestication. Selective breeding is a human-directed form of evolution, and as genetic mutations naturally arise in species, humans then select individuals with desirable traits for reproduction. This alters the genetic landscape, leading to domestication and development of traits that distinguish the wild ancestors from their domesticated descendants. So if we have a look at this bowl of veggies here, every single vegetable in this bowl is the same species. They all look really different and they all descended from the same plant, the wild mustard. The wild mustard plants that showed traits of longer leaves eventually became kale. The ancestors that showed really strong flower buds and stems became broccoli. Strong terminal buds became cabbage. And strong floral clusters became cauliflower. And so on and so forth, Brussels sprouts included. It's all about emphasizing the genetic potential in one single species. As for dogs, they descended from wolves through a mutualistic relationship with early humans. Genetic studies revealed that the ancient wolves likely scavenged for food near the human settlements, and individuals with traits like reduced aggression and tameness were favored by those early humans. This eventually caused changes to the wolf's genome that affect the dietary habits and tameness. These changes have allowed dogs to thrive alongside humans, and from there, selective breeding has produced hundreds of breeds of dog. And Suey here, she's a cross with a Kelpie, Australian cattle dog, and Border Collie. And all of those breeds have been selected for their herding abilities and stamina. That makes them amazing livestock working dogs. But while domestication has supported human civilization, it does have its genetic and ecological consequences. Reduced genetic diversity makes species more vulnerable to diseases and health problems like the brachycephalic issues that we see in bulldogs and pugs. Maintaining genetic diversity and ethical breeding practices is so important as we look to the future. Domestication tells a story of human influence on evolution, from the wolves that became our closest companions to the wild mustard that became our favourite veggies. Tell me, what's your favourite domesticated species? I think you can guess mine.